What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be talking about one special method to make money from the Instagram, and that is to flip Instagram pages. What does flipping pages mean? That means that we buy Instagram theme pages and sell them for profit. This is really good and easy way to make quick money. Remember, this method requires some money to be invested to buy pages before getting profit, so this is not free method. Step 1 is obviously to buy a page that you're gonna resell later. There are a tons of websites out there where you can buy or sell Instagram pages, but that's not really where you wanna buy them, because if someone is putting that much effort in selling it, there might be something wrong with that account, or they are already flipping that account, so profit from selling is already made. The way you actually want to buy the page is to buy from people who aren't really planning on selling them. This requires a bit of research and effort, but it will be more profitable this way. Just search for some pages with good engagement. You can check the engagement rate using websites like tribber.com. Just type the username and see if the engagement is good or not. Look for about 10% engagement rate. That would be good enough. Make sure you are buying account in profitable niche. Don't just buy meme page that you can use for anything and no one wants to buy. Prefer more profitable niches like fitness, motivational quotes, or something like that. If you're not sure if account is profitable, just look bigger accounts from same niche and see if they have advertisements on their profiles, if they drop ship, if they do affiliate marketing. If so, there is money to be made in that niche, and it will not be hard to sell that account. Personally, I would always look for pages that have between 20 and 50k followers, but have amazing engagement. We are talking about tons of likes, comments, posts getting on the explore page and stuff like that. But why 20 to 50k followers? It's because in this range pages are pretty much always having really good engagement, and it's just a matter of time when page will go up, go viral, and grow to few hundred thousands of followers. Don't spend more than $300 to $400 on a page like that. Always try to negotiate and lower the price as much as possible. Also, never send money through friends and family. Doesn't matter what the guy that you're buying a page from is saying. Always go with goods and services, because if you go with friends and family and something goes wrong, PayPal won't refund your payment and you won't get your money back. Sellers usually want you to pay through friends and family because PayPal takes a percentage when you send the money through goods and services. After you paid for the account and got login info, immediately change everything from passwords to email and number. Also enable two-step verification. Now you bought the account, very cheap, good engagement, and what should you do next? Just stick to it for a while. Keep on posting, making good content, using the right hashtags and other tips for Instagram growth that I have shown you in the last video. Keep on growing that page, and when you reach the amount of followers you want, that's the time to sell the page and make the most of it. After just like a few months of getting on explore page, going viral, essentially posting a good content, people will reach to you and offer you several times more money than you invested. This is really good method to make some quick bucks, but you would make a lot more if you spend some time with other earning methods like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, paid shoutouts, and stuff like that. I'm gonna do a separate video on that theme, so stay tuned. How should you decide? Should you sell the account you bought right away, or use other ways to make money and grow it to make the most of it? It really depends on the account. If account has really good and active following, try to make the most of it. But if it's bad following that doesn't really care about your posts much, try to sell it right away. You have plenty of ways to sell your Instagram page. I personally pretty much always use websites like instasale.com or socialtradia.com. Those sites are not really good to buy accounts, but really good to sell them after floating. By using methods like affiliate marketing and drop shipping, you can scale earnings of your page in just a few months to anywhere from few thousand to tens of thousands of dollars. You reached the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if it was helpful for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys have a great day and see you in the next video.